Welcome, dear friends. Today, we embark on a journey through the 6 pillars of faith in Islam, the core principles that unite and guide every Muslim in their life. Let us reflect on their meaning and how they illuminate our paths. 1. Belief in Allah. The first and greatest pillar is the belief in Allah, the one and only Creator, Sustainer, and Lord of all existence. Allah's oneness, or Tawheed, reminds us that our purpose is to worship Him, rely on Him, and trust His infinite wisdom in all things. Belief in angels. The second pillar is belief in angels, beings of light who carry out Allah's commands. They record our deeds, guide the faithful, and deliver divine revelations, unseen but ever present in the lives of believers. Belief in the divine books. The third pillar is belief in the divine books. Allah revealed guidance through the Torah, the Psalms, the Gospel, and finally the Quran, which stands as the complete and final revelation, a timeless beacon for humanity. 4. Belief in the prophets. The fourth pillar is belief in the prophets, chosen messengers who brought Allah's words to the people. From Adam to Moses, from Jesus to Muhammad, peace be upon them all. They exemplified righteousness and reminded us of the path to Allah. 5. Belief in the Day of Judgment. The fifth pillar is belief in the Day of Judgment, a day when all souls will stand before Allah to account for their deeds. On that day, justice will prevail, and eternal peace awaits those who lived with faith and integrity. Belief in divine decree. The sixth and final pillar is belief in divine decree, or Qadr. This is the understanding that everything happens by Allah's will. It teaches us to trust in His plan, to persevere in trials, and to be grateful for His blessings. These 6 pillars of faith are not just beliefs. They are the foundation of a life lived with purpose, humility, and devotion. They remind us of our connection to the Creator and to one another, forming a bond of unity and hope. Thank you for joining us on this journey of reflection. May these principles inspire you to walk a path of peace, compassion, and unwavering faith.